Hey everyone, so if you're a complete beginner and have never made a resume before, yeah, it can feel confusing at first. But don't worry, Zety makes it really simple. I'll show you step by step how to create your first resume. First, go to Zety and click on Create Resume. This opens a blank resume editor where you'll build everything from scratch. Now choose a simple, clean template. If you're a beginner, avoid complicated designs. Just pick something easy to read. Next, add your basic information like your full name, phone number, and email address. This is the top section of your resume. Now write a short summary about yourself. If you're a beginner, just mention your goals, skills, and what kind of job you're looking for. If you don't have much experience, start with your education. Add your school or college name, degree, and year. Next, add your skills. Even if you don't have job experience, you can include basic skills like communication, teamwork, or computer skills. If you have any part-time jobs, internships, or volunteer work, add them here. Even small experience is important. Before finishing, review your resume carefully. Make sure everything is clear, simple, and free of mistakes. And that's it. Now you know how to create your first resume in Zety even if you're a complete beginner.